DKU's campus is kind of like an open-air gallery. Every corner has a story. Some we pass by every day, and some we only notice when we slow down. Let's take a walk. This is one of the first artworks that you'll see on DKU's campus. The colors and patterns are inspired by traditional Chinese porcelain, and I really like how it connects nature and culture together. The emblems on the horse statues really embody DKU's spirit. Looks like a snake coiling up, right? It's made of metal, but it feels like it could come alive at any second and attack you. I love the contrast. It feels so strong, yet so playful. It reminds me of something I'd find on a playground back home in Lincoln, Nebraska.
When you walk toward the sports complex, you'll see this sculpture. It seems that these figures are made of white chalk, protected, timeless, somehow fragile, and weightless. What's cool about this work is when you walk around, what you see also changes. It reminds me that perspective changes everything. In art, in life, and even in how we see ourselves. A century ago, Sidney Gamble traveled across China. He was an American sociologist and photographer. From 1917 to 1932, these pictures captured the everyday life. Markets, village scenes, and the festivals, moments that are often missed from the grand historical narratives. These pictures showcase China through his lens. Today at DKU, not just from one side, we share those perspectives together.
This staircase hosts many of DKU's trophies, and this one feels like one of them. It is a mixture of rough concrete, volcano rocks, and the smooth surface of golf balls. The artist growing up near a volcano was always aware of the quiet power that lie underneath. I love how its strength and fragility are combined together. It reminds me of how pressure can create something beautiful.
This is probably one of the most eye-catching pieces on campus. We walk past it every day on our way to school. The name of the piece in French translates to tense bodies. It's about balance and tension between people, twisted, connected, holding together. It's kind of like our life at DKU, messy, busy, Math 105, but somehow we all hold together, and we do so pretty beautifully. This one always stops me. Depending on the light, it looks like it's floating. We're surrounded by reflections, glass, and water. It's futuristic, yet peaceful, just like DKU's campus. Whenever I see its reflection, it feels like the whole place is breathing.